Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be talking about the how to make money freelance writing in 2023. I'll go over several different ways to get paid for your writing in this guide for the upcoming year. I'll give you hints and pointers that will make your endeavor easier to start and more successful. Let's first tackle the fundamentals. A person who is a professional writer receives payment for producing content for a wide range of clients when they work as a freelance writer. If you have a computer and an internet connection, it is a way to make money while relaxing in your own home. By selling your services to clients, you can earn money writing freelance. You can either speak with potential clients directly or look for work on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. It's crucial to conduct market research before launching your services and to guarantee that your prices are reasonable. It's crucial to build a portfolio of your best writing before looking for freelance writing jobs. Potential clients will get a sense of your writing style and the caliber of your work from this. It is also a fantastic way to highlight your qualifications and experience. Additionally, you need to be well known online, because this will make it easier for people to find your services. To advertise your services and attract more customers, you can create a website, blog, or social media pages. Create a contract that specifies the terms and conditions of the project as soon as you have a client. The due date, payment, and any other conditions that you and the client have agreed upon are included here. This will help to prevent any potential conflicts by ensuring that both parties are aware of what is expected of them. Let's now move on to the writing itself. It's critical to produce top-notch content that satisfies the demands and expectations of the customer. In order to produce engaging and educational content, this calls for research and creativity. Additionally, it is important to proofread and edit the content to ensure that there are no errors. Finally, it is important to be professional and reliable when dealing with clients. This includes responding to emails and messages in a timely manner, meeting deadlines, and ensuring that the work is of a high standard. By following these tips and tricks, you should be able to make money freelance writing in 2023. Now, let's look at some real-life examples. One way to make money freelance writing is to write for online publications and websites. For example, you can write for Medium, where you will be paid for your work. Additionally, you can also write for websites such as BuzzFeed and the Huffington Post, which will provide you with a steady income. Another way to make money freelance writing is to write and sell ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to generate passive income, as they can be sold multiple times. You can create an ebook on any topic that you are knowledgeable about, such as cooking, writing, photography, etc. Additionally, you can also create an ebook on a specific topic, such as how to make money freelance writing. Finally, you can also make money freelance writing by offering your services to businesses. You can create content for businesses such as blog posts, website copy, and social media posts. This is an excellent way to make money as it can be done on a freelance basis, and you can charge businesses for your services. If you are looking to make money freelance writing in 2023, then these tips and tricks should help you get started. Remember to always create quality content, be professional and reliable, and offer competitive rates. I wish you the best of luck in your freelance writing journey. Please remember to like the video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next video.